Hey there, how you doing? This is me, Justin Kapani, sitting under a nice tree in the rains of Delhi. Finally, the monsoons have arrived. I am Justin Kapani, the founder and CEO of I Am Decor and Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. I haven't forgotten my chai, which I'm carrying with me because I've just generally taking a walk in the neighborhood and stuff, and I see that the whole city is glued to one topic, from the senior most to the junior most person in the city on Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. So two, three things, over discussing is not going to help, What's going to really work is a good dialogue, and I wonder why this thing didn't happen before, where we've allowed 21 days of a protest to happen at the expense of, a human being as Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, very close to losing his life. Wonder why it's taken so long to have a chat and why the protest has been allowed to continue for such a long time. And this action that they've, taken him to the hospital and stuff could have happened a little earlier. I wish the court would have stepped in a lot before. And thirdly, I mean, carrying on a protest for these many number of days is not the right approach or not the right way, because it's just simply causing a lot of, you know, I mean, it's just shaking up a lot of people and stuff. Though the cause and the concern he has is legitimate and is all right, but my only point of view is that what is his concern from Leh Ladakh about it. And it's great he's raised it and stuff, but not in this fashion on participating and collaborating with um, questionable organizations and associates and stuff. So I think it's time the protest came to an end. I think there's peace which needs to prevail, and a dialogue needs to happen, and jumping the gun and expecting a resignation from a minister is not the right approach. Talk about it. Let's look into the system. Let's talk about the what's going wrong, the corruption or whatever, and how this is happening and how it can be controlled and stuff. That's a better way of functioning and stuff. So मेरी यही hope है, and I really wish that Mr. Sonam Wangchuk would come to some sensibilities and just focus on recovering on his own health and stuff, and also not misleading people and all that. And it seems like a politically driven drama for the kind of collaborations he has. So better is expected from him now that the bubble is burst. That it's not a environmentalist or a scientist of that level of what we saw in the movie Three Idiots. So it's expected that he come down to Mother Earth and have a chat and a dialogue. And probably our leaders also need to step in, and they need to have this dialogue with him and find a solution for this. Take care. Gotta go. Bye bye.